welcome to a new tutorial from Futuneer. It's Mo, and today's lesson we're going to learn about an exciting tool which is called Honey. It's a coupon tool. You can install it as a widget in your Chrome and it will find coupons for you whenever you visit any website. So let's say I'm in Hudson Bay now. Here you go, this is my Honey. If you just click it, will give you the coupons. This one worked 32 minutes ago and you can use any one of them to save you money. Let's say we open Amazon. Here you go. Gives you a coupon on specific items. Not exactly on this specific one, but at least you have some savings. Okay, so once you click on the link on the description below, you will find this page. You hit add to Chrome and then add extension. Now it's checking. There you go, it's in here now and you're good to go. Just save some money while you're doing your regular online shopping. Alright guys, I hope you find that helpful. Just give it a thumbs up and see you in the next lesson.